In this video, we are going to build a multi-agent orchestrator using Gemini Enterprise. Multi-agent orchestrator is a central agent that analyzes a user request and decides which specialized agent should handle the task. It coordinates multiple agents and distributes the work to the most appropriate one. Before we continue, make sure you have Gemini Business Edition, provision, and ready to use. If you are not sure how to set up it, please watch our other video where we explain the provisioning process step by step. Once your environment is ready, we can proceed to building our multi-agent orchestrator. Now, let's go to the section Agents. If you open this section, you can see Deep Research Agent from Google. And we also have our own agent available here. You can pin the agent, and it will appear on the left side of the interface, making it easy to access whenever you need it. Earlier, I showed you how to create an agent using prompt, but now let's create it manually. First, you need to click on New Agent. If I click on Proceed to Builder, here we can define a name of the agent. Let's call it Global Orchestrator Agent. For the description, I will write agent that distributes tasks to the appropriate sub-agents. Now we need to provide the agent instruction. For example, the user will ask a question. Your task is to identify the most suitable agent to solve that task. Next, we choose the model. I will select Gemini latest model. You can also connect enterprise connectors here. But I'm not gonna use connectors right now. Let's create two specialized sub-agents so that we can demonstrate how Orchestrator distribute tasks. We'll create physics agent and chemistry agent. Let's start with the physics agent. Click the plus icon and give the agent name. For the description, use this agent that handles physics-related queries. For the instruction, we can write, your task is to answer a question related to physics. Identify yourself as a physics professor. Select the latest model. We could add also connectors here, but for this demo, we'll keep it simple, not connect other tools. Now click Update. Now the physics agent is created. Next, we need to create second subagent. It will be chemistry subagent, so we need to name it appropriately. Provide the description. Agent that handles chemistry-related queries. And we would like also provide the instructions. Your task is to answer questions related to chemistry. Identify yourself as a chemistry professor. Now we click Update for this agent as well. Great, now we have two subagents, physics agent and chemistry agent. And above them we have the orchestrator agent, which will analyze the user request and route the tasks to the correct agent. Now let's test how the orchestrator works. First, we need to go to Preview. And we'll ask the first question related to physics. Can you explain mechanics? The orchestrator analyzes the question and routes it to the physics agent. As you can see, the response starts with your resident physics professor. So we know that the request was correctly routed. Now let's ask something that is not related to either physics or chemistry. For example, this one. Can you explain human anatomy? Since we didn't create biology agent, the orchestrator cannot route this to specialized agent. Instead, it answers using its own general knowledge. Now, let's ask a chemistry question. What is H2O? Now, orchestrator routes the request to the chemistry agent, and the answer begins with a chemistry professor intro. So again, the system correctly selected the appropriate agent. The main idea behind the orchestrator agent is to divide tasks among specialized agents. Instead of having one general agent answer everything, we create specialized agents for specific domains, an orchestrator that routes requests to the right expert. This architecture is very common in enterprise AI system, where different agents might specialize in finance, legal, HR, engineering, and customer support. If you want to go deeper into Gemini Enterprise, we have a dedicated expert-led course for this platform. You will learn how to create and use AI agents for real enterprise workflows, explore powerful tools like Notebook LM, and run deep research across your data,